Hey guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. Well, I got a new model for the stash. Yeah, even though I'm moving, I'm still collecting models. Anyways, AMT 1960 Chevrolet pickup, custom fleet side truck. So it's actually a cool model. I think I have built this one over the years, but I don't remember if I ever had a go-kart in it. So it's kind of neat. So very neat thing. Tell you a little story. Many years ago, I had a go kart too, and it had had a four cylinder something a four cylinder out of something. It was a 600cc engine. I don't know if it was a Honda, if it was Yamaha or Kawasaki, but that was quite the little machine. But anyways, this looks kind of cool. So, anyways. One, never mind. The little go kart brings back some memories, and you never know what old beater cars may do. Anyways, let's get on with the box. So, anyways, this is very interesting. I like this because it has the six-cylinder in here, six-cylinder engine. This camera is always giving me problems. It has a little six-cylinder engine. I don't know what size it is. Probably what, like a 250 maybe. So, like the engine can be modified. You can put a chrome valve cover on it. Maybe build like an Offenhauser intake for it, dual carbs, a header, and such. All these little things, right? And or keep it stock. Uh, you know, it offers different styles of grills, which is kind of nice. It gives you chrome hubcaps or chrome wheels, Moonies. Goes to go kart, and the interior is highly detailed. Comes in an awesome, uh, awesome uh, set of decals. I think it'd be cool, maybe if I were to buy, like a few more of these kits, right? Have one that's built like this, right? Stock. One that's built as a short box, and one that's built as a 4x4. So that'd be kind of cool to have the three versions of it, right? Or four, because I think these actually came in step side originally. I mean, not original, but I think some models were step sides. So it'd be kind of very interesting because I have parts and pieces everywhere, and the guy can make whatever he wants to make. But I definitely like to make a 4x4. Used to be an old guy around here who had one many years ago. He had a four-wheel drive model of one like this. And I just wanted to buy it off him, but I never wanted to sell it. And who knows whatever happened to it. So, but yeah, so very nice kit. Hopefully, the tooling on this is a lot better than it has been in the past. I don't know how many parts it is. I don't know where it says that on here, but yeah, good old AMT, right? I don't know what it says, how many parts and pieces it has on it. Not that it really matters. Really cool decals. So, alrighty, guys, stash update. I'm getting some more like once I'm settled into my new home, I'm gonna be extensively updating my model collection. Getting a few more things I want, and just keep building, of course. And like I said, I had to build this particular model in either three or four different versions, and I mean, it's interesting to know it's interesting to see what versions these trucks came in, and have it as a little diorama sorta, where same truck or same vehicle with all the options. Very interesting. Yeah, so anyways, that's all to say about that. I thought I would just add that to my videos here. Stuff, not doing a whole lot of building because I don't have very many. Most of my stuff is in the containers outside, ready to be moved, and I have nothing in here really to be building with. And I should be out of here probably in the next couple of days. So today's the... What is today? Today... You guys can read it or not. Probably too much glare. Today is the June 19th. And I guess I take possession of my new home tomorrow, I think so. Something like that. Tomorrow or next day. So anyways, so I'm itching to get back to motor building and stuff, so, and enjoy the rest of my little vacation before I get back to work. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates coming up soon. See ya.